Hi traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. On today's video we're focusing on some of the market stock indexes as we're starting to see a pattern slowly start to develop. It's across really all the main indexes, or most of them, and it is potentially a bearish pattern, and I'm quite interested to see how this plays out as we and now what we're focusing on, we'll just show you. So if we can see here, we have the trend line there that has been broken, and we are now starting to see the up leg here, which is a corrective rally. We are starting to see it, just starting to see some resistance. And when you see these impulsive corrective rallies after a trend break, it can be bearish, but they do need confirmation. But it is a small warning sign just going forward, and we want to just keep a bit of an eye on how this develops. And if it does turn into a new decline, that starts to put a fair bit of pressure on the trend on the short term, and it could be giving this bar a lot more significance in basically starting to point to a more, what we could see a more prolonged correction. But at the moment we do need to see some confirmation. So tonight and the rest of this week will be quite important, just from a price point of view, to see if this does start to develop. Now that's the NDX 100, which tracks the Nasdaq. This is the US 30, and we can see that pattern as well here quite clearly. So we can see that move down, this impulsive move up, and if we do start to see a new leg lower, then we do start to see a bit of a confirmation of break of trend, and that could be interesting. But again, like I've said a couple of times, that we do need to see the confirmation. But the pattern really is all over the place. You can see here the German 30, it's a little bit better to the bull side, but we can see it on this fast trend break here. So, and just having a look at a couple more, the ASX as well, we can see it there just after the that fast trend break here. So the main one where I really spotted it was on the US indexes, and that's the US 30 and on the NDX 100. But we all know if those start to come off again, that generally other markets are going to follow suit. So the pattern, that main key pattern again is this new impulsive rally after the trend break, which was broken back on that very couple of strong moves down we saw the previous week, and now we're watching this impulsive rally to see if that does continue to falter, and if we do see selling again, which could start to develop into a new continuation after the trend break. So that's it. We will watch with interest during this week to see if that does continue to develop, or if other signs emerge that start to support the buying side of the ledger a little bit more. So I hope you are having a fantastic trading day, and until tomorrow, bye for now and good trading.